Assalamu alaikum viewers. Thank you so much viewers here. Today I will discuss about the servo stator. First I will describe about it the servo stator detailing. So you can see the nameplate of the servo stator. You can see the picture in here. The servo stator is made in Germany in the top of this picture. And the stator rated voltage is 800 volt DC and operating voltage, and the rated current is 3.62 amps, and the stall current is the stator of this 3.5.12 amps. The insulation of the servo stator is class CIA. You can see the picture in here, the fully visible the insulation class. And beside the nameplate, the connection is for the encoder connections. You can see the picture in here. I'm just indicate this one is the encoder connections, and another one, this one is for the power connection of this cable. So, and the encoder opposite point connection is the male connection. I can see the picture in here. This is the male connection, and the power connection cable is also there. You can see the picture, the male connector. The here is the 6 pin total. The 4 in 2 in for the stator temperature protection, and another 3 in for the power connection, and one is for the earth protection. So now you can see the stator inside. Here is the moving part of the stator. Now you can see the power connection terminal box, that is the IP65, and the back side of the stator. You can see the back side of the stator, and the shaft is moved as per the design program. So here in the picture you can see the shaft point, that is the moved as per design program. So you can see the picture of this stator. Another side of this, there is the move. When the power is applied, the stator is shaft move as per design program. So now you can see the picture of this stator. Another side, this one is the back end side of this stator. And now you can see the cooling record of this servo stator, and also the record for the servo drive purpose. You can see the picture here. There's a connector of the servo stator and for cooling water entering, and the another side is outgoing. There's a 4 screw using for the cooling shield for the properly cooled of the servo stator. The shield is properly connected to the servo stator. Now I'm just replace the cooling shield from the old one to new one, because my servo stator is faulty. So I'm just trying to open the servo stator cooling shield from the old one to new one. Now the connected for the new one servo stator cooling shield, and the tightening for this one is the pneumatic connector. You can see that there's a water enter in this side, and another side is outgoing of the hot water, because the entering cool water and inside the cool hot water. So now you can see the picture, the stator. I'm just fixing with the faulty one. This one is the new one, and this one is also the servo drive. You can see the picture in the, I'm just mentioned here, this one is the servo drive for operating for the servo stator. That was I fixing. Backside, this one is the original servo stator that was is faulty. I'm just replace this one also, but this one is the servo drive, and the servo drive power connections, and this one is the encoder connections. You can see I'm just indicate these connector points. So here it's showing the servo drive for fault, and running indications something are showing in this picture. You can see there, and this one is the connector of the servo stator. This one is the encoder connection of the stator. Now I'm just trying to open the servo from the servo drive to the encoder connection for fixing the new one servo stator. So this is the encoder connections. I'm just trying to open this connector. Yeah, now I'm just open the servo stator connector of this encoder connections from the male female connector. Now I'm just trying to open the power connection from the servo drive. My hand is by oiling condition, so cannot open the properly. So I'm just trying to open this one, because this one is made by the material of the SS. So I'm just trying to open the connector for the main power connector from the servo drive. So my colleague is helping me for the open is properly, but because my hand is oily condition, so for that reason I'm just not opening it properly. So my colleague is helping me. So I'm just trying. So there is a little bit tight. So for that, not move this connector properly. I'm just lock now. Open this lock, and my colleague is trying to open for the again. So now that you see the connector is open now. You see the connector is open now. Now I'm just encoder cable and power cable and just try to remove from this side to another side. Now I want to fix the new one servo stator from the servo drive. Servo drive is okay, no problem, but my servo stator is problem, so I'm just replace the only for the servo stator. Now the connected the power connection from the servo stator to servo drive, and the tightening with the properly. So this is the only for connection point visualization of the servo stator and servo drive. Next part will be coming for the full power connection, the power given after power given, that how to operate the servo stator and servo drive working. That I'm just fully given of this next video. So thank you. This is the fully connection, how to open the servo stator, how to give the connection of the servo drive, encoder connection, power connection. I'm just showing you. So next video I'll show you the how to give the power and the how to operate this. Thank you so much for listening to me. Thank you.